welcome to another video. Today we're heading, where are we going?
We're going Blanchisseuse.
Blanchisseuse.
Sapphire Waterfalls.
Sapphire Waterfalls and the trend.
Yeah, Marianne Gorge.
Marianne Gorge and Sapphire Waterfall of Blanchisseuse. We have a few vehicles going with us on this side, so it should be good. We're in Santa Cruz, we just stopped for some ice and stuff, and then we're heading up the road. Alright guys, so we drove and we're now passing by Maracas Bay, the beach, as you can see in the background there. We're heading over the hill to Las Cuevas now and then continuing to Blanchisseuse. The 4x4 park up, we have the cars parked up there at the side of the road. Those guys already in the river, so we're heading down. The road was a little bad coming in. It's mostly good, but then in the end, yeah, it's a little bad. So you have to take your time. And we're walking down this little road here to the river while we're packing up and whatnot. My son already gone and jumped in the river already. Check them out over there. Them can't wait. And so far so good. As I said, the road is right there, and right at the side of the road you have this river. It's so pretty. It's going to be cold though. Oh, the water not that cold? Look at that clear, clean water. Yeah. So to make it to, we're at the gorge, right? But we're not there yet. The marina, Maria, I'm going to put the name up. To make it to that, it's like a deeper swimming area. We literally just walk up the river, which we're doing. You know, I'm actually in the water, walking up the river, and the water is already so clean and clear. As we walk up the river, there are little parts where it turns a corner, it gets a little deep, and you see the nice blue tinge of clear water. But I always get amazed to see how nice it is here in Trinidad, and it's not really known for this sort of stuff. You know, waterfalls and rivers and nice clear rivers. So Trinidad has it, but because we don't really develop that tourism thing much, it takes a lot of work to kind of get it here. You know, the road is bad, you have to do some hiking, you know, but when you get here, it is all worth it. And maybe there is some value in leaving some places like this kind of untouched. You know what I mean? So Kendall, who brought us here, and you know, he's very active in hiking and whatnot. That's his 4x4. Very well prepped for this kind of thing. He's driving straight up to the gorges. We're here at the gorge. It's really nice. It's covered in, you know, the forest, trees, foliage, and you can see the rocks up ahead. Let me show you. Look at walking in. Let me see it. Yeah, I can't touch it.
Alright.
Yeah, so there's a good distance to swim. Son, if you're swimming and get tired, you could go to the side and hold on a rock, right? Just how I nearly reached the end. Alright, I'm standing here. So we're on the other side of the gorge. It's a long swim and it's fresh water, so no salt water to keep you up. You know, you have to be a good swimmer and it's deep. So this is the other top end. There are two parts. Look, you see that little river? And look, another river between these rocks. And that's the gorge there. Let's go and take a look at the gorge from the top. There it is, the gorge. You're looking at that simple there. It's long and in the middle it's very deep. Alright, like I couldn't touch and I swam down or whatnot. So, really, really nice. So I climb up on some rocks at the side of the gorge here. It's very slippery, so I wouldn't recommend it, but I want you guys to get a view of the length of the gorge behind me. And that's the river there. It is very, very pretty. Look how you're seeing the light shining in the water right here. Funny how hard it was. We're heading back out. I'm going with Kendall on the 4x4. We have to name this vehicle, you know. What is the name of this vehicle? We'll call it the Wailaguti.
The Wailaguti.
So we headed out on it in the river. Just had a whole lot. Not bad. We should hold on to something. Great.
Hey, look at next one there.
No, touch. Shape your foot in water.
The van's up there.
No, just you.
Alright, well, nice man, good time. Van looking sick, boy.
So who would have thought it had traffic jam in the river today?
Traffic jam.
Including this one, 3 vehicles.
Oh my God.
All alright? Son, careful.
Yes, I agree.
Alright, so we've reached out, we drove out, and there is a whole squad of 4x4s lying up here. Looks like they're going up into the river. We just wrap up there in the Marianne Gorge, and now we are heading back out and we're going to go to Sapphire Waterfall. Come to the stop where we're going to Sapphire Waterfall. There's a river, the same river for the gorge. It flows down here, and then we are going to cross and follow the stream to go up. Oh, they're frightened, right? Look, DeAndre reach over already. This is the river we're crossing to get to the stream. Alright, so we're crossing the river. It's not bad. It's about waist height. Whoops. Waist height for me. Hey, mind the camera, mind the camera. There's a stream. Kendall told us to follow. So that's what we're doing. We're following the stream. Nice. We had some tree falls. So there is a lot of fallen trees over the stream. If you follow trees, it's actually pretty challenging to follow the stream, but we're getting there. So after a short hike, the hike is short, but it's just because of the fallen trees. But look what you get. Nice. Okay, good. Before you see the sun shining in the water. Swam, we just did all the craziness in Zorro Waterfall. It was really, not Zorro, Sapphire Waterfalls. We just talked about the next one. It was really, really good. I really like this waterfall. It's nice and secluded. You can swim right up and right under the waterfall. Has some rocks. It's like a chair. And you can just sit down and let the water fall on you. The adventurous ones went and climbed up this suspect rope and did some jumps and whatnot. Really, really good. And now we're wrapping up and we have to do the trek out. It's not a hard trek, it just gets tricky where all the trees have fell. Really, really good. Walk it out.
It's a long drive, but
yeah.
also take your time.
Look at the river.
Yeah.
Climb back out the stream. We cross the river. And the cars are right there. So we're back out. Alright, so everybody kind of changed up. Well, most of us, they're going to stop in Maracas because we want to get some bacon shack. One or two of the guys will take a dip, take another thing to eat. Then we head up the road. I'm in an empty car because the guys are taking the opportunity to drive in the back of the 4x4 as we head back out. Yeah, they really as you saw, we took a drive down, although it's about 10 minutes, if so much, down to the old spring bridge here in Blanchisseuse. I've seen this since I was small. Old school spring bridge, still standing. Of course, they did some renovations to it, so people come and they chill out, and there is 3 pools, which is not too far from here, so that's where all the maxis and whatnot is for. Really, really nice. The spring bridge in Blanchisseuse. So after all that driving, we're back at Maracas. Some of the guys in the convoy wants to take a dip. We want bacon shack. So we're gonna check that out now. Of course, we'll show you some of the beach. Alright, so we're here by Tips on the Beach, getting some bacon shark. You see they have all the sauces in the back there. So check it out. Pepper sauce.
Wait, what is it?
This is chutney, chunky. Where this is? Shadow Benny. Thai tamarind sauce. This is mango chutney. Ay ay ay. This is onion. Well, I love onions. This is, sorry, fresh pineapple, sweet pepper. Thank you so much, Vicky. You're so helpful. Cucumber, tomato, salad, and of course the lettuce. Nice. So you see here, professional baileys. Ready shark game Friday. Nice. That was a big game. Bacon shark, right? Now we're going to add up all the sauce. Pepper sauce. Chunky pepper sauce. Gotta get some bandana.
Ketchup.
Ketchup? Come, go home for that, go home. Some salad. A little bit of lettuce. Oh gosh, onions. Onions like it going out of style. I love onions. Woohoo! Yeah. Garlic sauce. How are we going on, son? Sure, been good? Over 2 years. Yeah. So we're here on the beach. It's really nice. You know, it's always kind of rough, but it's not too bad today. And you can see how much people are on the beach today. It's a Saturday, so of course you expect it. Really nice vibes. Maracas Beach, always beautiful. But we're gonna head out because if you look up into the hills, you see that piece of rain look like it coming. So, start the drive. Okay, so there is this kind of newish lookout. We stopped for a few pictures. Nice view in the back. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We did so many things. Waterfall, gorge, Maracas, bacon shark. I just hope everyone enjoyed watching the video as much as we enjoyed making it. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.